Alright, so quick video. Here's the Golf. She's dirty after a day of drag racing. Yeah, I'll walk a little further away from the office though. I don't want to be the person that's talking to himself next to his car. But, lots of Golf R issues, and I should note, I'm going to title this video with lots of Golf R issues all at once. And what's going to happen is YouTube is going to suggest that video in the sidebar to people that aren't subscribers for a very long time. I don't know if it's probably a terrible angle for the sun here. So people are going to watch this video like January of 2018 and be like, I have a fix for you, but I should let you know if it's after like August 15th, 2017, don't bother commenting because it's going to be fixed by then. First issue, I have an exhaust leak. It's right underneath my seat. I looked underneath the car. The heat wrap that was keeping the Bull-X downpipe from rattling is starting to come loose. Given the Bull-X rattling, given a manual design pulled the Bull-X downpipe from their website, so you can't buy it anymore. The rattles, the fact that manual design, the only distributor in the US for the downpipe, pulled it, and the issues I've had with rattling, I decided to switch to CTS. It's within my budget. It's all I can afford right now. So that's why I'm switching. So exhaust leak, and then the other day I had a check engine light with multiple misfires, cylinders 1, 3, and 4 misfired, all at cold start. So they misfired as soon as I start the car up, and they don't misfire anymore. It was 3 days in a row at 7:30 a.m., which is usually whenever I start the car. So I'm gonna have to pull the spark plugs and make sure the gap is good, and I hope that fixes it. I also did a carbon buildup cleaning and didn't know you change the oil after doing that, so now I have to order oil after like 1,000 miles and change the oil. And then the final issue is around, I had my first limp mode yesterday. My EPC light went off. I couldn't engage cruise control, and I pulled the code and it was a turbo actuator failure. I cleared the code, went right back to normal. So I think the actuator is replaceable. I have to call Volkswagen and get a part number. If it does fail though, I'm gonna have to replace that. I'm just hoping it's not the entire turbo. So lots of Golf R issues at the same time. It's probably gonna cost me like $1,000 total to get all this stuff fixed, but kind of what happened at the same time. So there's an update for you guys, and there's gonna be subsequent videos over the next few weeks of getting all this stuff fixed. So, all right, thanks for watching.